Yes. Yes. Push your hips back, go down. Yes. Okay. All right. Take a breather. Now this time we are going to keep our dumbbells on our shoulders. So something like this. So here are your dumbbells or whatever object you are holding. Legs are wide, toes pointing out. This is your start one. Now from here, go down, bend as deep and then come back up. And when you come up, don't lock your knees. Okay, your knees should always remain soft. Push your hips back, go down, pause and come back up. Let's do that 10 counts. Yes. Yes, the pain widen your legs slightly more. Better, better, yes. 10 counts everyone. Good. Yes. Once you are done, you will start walking. Okay. Now, in the third set, you are going to keep your dumbbells on your shoulders, just against your shoulders, chest out, back straight. Now, what we are going to do is, we do 12 counts of sumo squats. And then in the 12th count, the last one, what we do is, we pulse down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and we come back up. Yes, let's do that. 12 counts and 8 pulses. Yes, start. Yes. Down, up, yes, very good. Yes, Vikram, widen your legs slightly. Toes out, slightly more. Yes, good, good. Much better, much better. Yes, very good, Neeti. Go deeper, Neeti, go deeper, deeper, deeper. Yes, there you go. Okay, 12 counts and 8 pulses. Yes. Okay, wonderful. All right. The next movement that we come to is a glutes bridge. And how are we going to do it? The first set is very simple. We have variations in the subsequent sets. So, for this, you lie down on your mat. So, you lie down on your mat. Fold your legs. Alright. Now, from here, lift your torso as high as possible. Engage your glutes. And come down. And again lift yourself up as high as possible, engage your glutes. And when you come down, you will not touch your hips on the floor. In the first set, we do this 15 counts. Let's do that, up and down. Yes, start, slightly pause and engage your glutes as you go up. Yes. Yes, good. Good, Kunal, good. Up and down, yes. Good. 15 counts. Yes, make sure when you go up, you squeeze your butts, you engage your glutes. Yes. And once you are done, you will slightly give your back a stretch, rotate your legs from side to side. That will help you relax your legs. Yes. Rotate from side to side. Okay, now watch the second set. In the second set, you place one single dumbbell on your lower abdomen. Okay, one single dumbbell supported by your hands in your lower abdomen, on your lower abdomen. Now from here, lift yourself up, keep supporting your dumbbell so that it doesn't fall on your face. Pause, come down, and again don't let your hips touch the floor. Again lift yourself up, pause and come down. Yes, let's do that 15 counts. One dumbbell on your lower abdomen. Yes. Kunal, do you have dumbbells? If you don't have, just hold any object, any water bottle or something. Okay, if you are able to arrange it, you can. Yes, lift yourself up as high. Radhika, lift yourself up high. Yes, good Kunal, that is fine enough. Yes, so slightly, yeah, place it on your lower abdomen, yes. And now raise it, support it with your hand so it doesn't fall. Yes, you need to support your dumbbell or your water bottle with your hands so it doesn't fall. Yes. Again, when you go up, you need to slightly squeeze in your glutes as you go. Okay. Alright. Now, in the third set, we are going to do single leg glutes bridge. So 15 counts on one side, then you rest a bit and 15 counts on the other side. Just watch how. So again, you lie down. Place one single dumbbell on your lower abdomen. First, lift your torso up as high. Now from here, take one leg up and come down. Again, lift yourself up and come down. Again, lift your torso up as high and come down. 15 counts on one leg, and when you have to change your leg, you change it like this. Again in the up position. Okay, keep pushing your torso up as high as possible. Alright, 15 counts on each leg with added weight on your abdomen. Start everyone. Yes. Niti, you need to slightly pause when you go up. Don't be in a rush to come back. Yes. Parag, remove your weight and do with single leg. Weight hata do, Parag. Just do it with single leg. Yes. Do a normal glutes bridge. Yes. Now take one leg up. Yes. And start doing it, pulsing. So the leg, upper leg will stay there. The leg will not come down. Only the torso comes down. Yeah. There you go. Very good. Yes. Radhika, move up your torso, leave your weight aside. Weight is secondary. You need to do it with one single leg. Yes. Try it. Yes, yes. Okay. Radhika, you do it with both the legs down. Okay, you do the normal glutes bridge. Yes, much better, much better. Good. 15 on each side, everyone. And once you are done this, you will get up and start walking. Yes. Take your time in doing this. We are not in a hurry. Yes, very good. Okay. Once you are done, you get up and start walking. Alright. The next movement that we are going to do is your single leg deadlift. And how are we going to do it? Ideally, the first rep you should not hold any weight, but if possible, try holding one single dumbbell or any water bottle, any object. Now, just watch the movement. So, how I'll show you both the angles. So, one leg is lifted up, one leg is soft to begin with, one hand extended out. You go down on one leg, back straight, even when it is parallel to the floor, and come back up. Again, go down on one single leg and come back up. Watch it from the side. So I'm here, You go down on one single leg. The front knee is bent, back leg is straight. Your upper back is parallel to the floor. Okay? And come back up. Now, don't let your body tilt side to side. So, for example, if you go here, don't do this. This is not a single leg deadlift. Okay? You're rotating your body sideways. Your body needs to stay here. This hand is used for the balance. If you feel more comfortable holding your weight with both the hands, even this position you can do. But make sure you bend your front knee. Okay? Let's get it started. Let's do 8 on each leg in the first set. 8 on each leg. Front knee should be bent. Yes, as you go down, yes. Try bending your front knee. Yes. Parag, try to hold the dumbbell like this. Yes, that will give you a better grip. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good. Try balancing yourself. Excellent, Vikram. Very good. 8 on each side. Come up full. Kunal, you need to come up full. Yes. And when you come up, don't try not resting the other leg on the floor. The one that you have lifted up, try not resting it on the floor as well. Yes, 8 on each side in the first set. Yes. Balance, balance, yes. Once you are done, you will start walking. The second set will be 10 on each side. Okay. Again, whenever you are doing this movement, chest should be out, back should be straight. Even when you are bending down, your chest should be out. Your back in any case should not be hunched. Be very mindful of this while you are doing deadlifts. Okay, let's do the second set. Take a breather of 10-15 seconds and do the second set. Yes. Kunal, you need to get up full. Pura utho. So what do I mean by getting up full is that when you go down in a deadlift like this, yes, and you come up, you need to slightly squeeze in your pelvis and come back up. Okay? Don't stay here only. You need to come up. Yes. Yes, start 10 on each side in the second set. Yes, come up full. Very good. Yes. Parag, your body is tilting. Extend out the other hand. Extend out the other hand. Yes, yes, that will help you balance. So yes, that is why you lose your balance, because tilted position is a comfortable position for the body. We are trying to increase, make the movement unstable. Alright, in a single unilateral movements, we try reducing the stability of the body. And that is where your core will be engaged, so that your body equilibrium is maintained, the balance is maintained. Yes. 10 on each side. Yes, once you are done, you take a breather. Okay. The third set will be again repeating 10 on each side. We are not increasing the weight, we are not increasing the reps. So no intensity increase in the third set. Same movement, same weight, same reps. 10 on each side. But make sure the movement is cleaner. Engage your core, chest out, back straight, stomach tucked in as you do this. Don't focus on the repetitions. Even if you do 5 correctly, that's fine enough. Yes. Yes, much better, Parag, much better. Radhika, you need to bend your front knee. The knee that you are going down on, you need to bend it. Yes. Yes. And Radhika, try holding the bottle with both the hands. Try doing that. Hold the bottle with both the hands, but raise one leg up. Yes. Much better. Much better. Good. Good. Go down, come back up full, chest out, back straight. Yes. 10 on each side in the third set as well. Yes. Chest out, back straight, everyone. I'll keep repeating it. Okay, once you're done, you need to drop your weight and slightly stretch your back. So one way of stretching your back can be being in the cobra pose like this. So just be in the mountain pose, and after that go down and be in the cobra pose and stretch your back. So give your back a slight stretch, and after that try sitting in the child pose as well. Stretch your upper back also. After you are done with the deadlifts, you may stretch your back.